everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super fun, super creative, and honestly, pretty genius. Creating viral miniature food worker videos using AI. Have you ever seen those adorable videos of tiny workers cooking microscopic meals in perfectly crafted miniature kitchens? What if I told you that you could create videos just like that, without touching a camera or learning animation, all with the power of AI? Today, I'm going to show you how to create miniature food worker videos using AI, from generating your characters to building tiny food sets, and even animating scenes, using tools that are totally beginner-friendly. These kinds of videos are going viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. They're eye-catching, quirky, and oddly satisfying, which makes them perfect for grabbing views. And here's the best part. You can actually earn money from them. From YouTube ad revenue to brand sponsorships, affiliate links, and even selling your own digital assets or courses, these videos are not just fun to make. They're also a smart way to build a profitable creative business online. I'll walk you through every step: how to design your miniature workers and food, create scenes, animate them, and even add voiceovers and music to bring everything to life. Stick around to the end for pro tips on how to optimize your videos for virality, and start building a channel that earns you views, fans, and real income, even while you sleep. Before jump in, understand how to grow. Go viral. Optimize your content. Use catchy thumbnails with bold text titles like "Tiny workers made a pizza inside a teacup." Hashtags: miniature food, .a video, .tiny world. Post consistently. 3-5 shorts a week is a sweet spot. Engage with comments and repost your best content to multiple platforms. So without wasting time, let's dive in and create some tiny magic with AI. So first, go to ChatGPT website and generate story for our video about the tasks which mini workers perform. Ask ChatGPT write full, step-by-step prompt for miniature workers preparing a strawberry cake in a richly detailed and immersive style. Prompt is included in the description. Just copy it and paste in ChatGPT website. We have to tell everything to ChatGPT about the environment, dress of the farmer, surrounding, etc. to generate a perfect prompt. And within no time, you got your prompt. Now move to the second step. Now create miniature images with AI. Let's generate our little workers. I'm using Leonardo.ai for this. Leonardo.ai gives you daily 150 credits free. Just copy the prompt from ChatGPT website step by step and paste it here and click on the Generate button. Select aspect ratio for vertical format. 9:16 for Shorts, Reels, TikTok, or 16:9 for YouTube. After some time, 4 amazing images are being generated. Honestly, really amazing. Just download these images by clicking the download sign, and 2 can repeat the same process for all other images. Cover all the steps involved in your story. Our second website is picklaman.com for generating images. It gives you daily 10 rewards. Just to go create tab for generating images. Paste the same copied prompt from ChatGPT website in the edit box. Select aspect ratio and hit enter. I will generate images within no time. Just download image by clicking download sign on video. After generating all the images, select the perfect images which are more relevant to your story video. Once you are satisfied, transform your selected images into video. Yes, convert images to video. For this purpose, I am using HailUII. Perfect for generating video. It gives you daily 100 credits. Upload your image from the download folder one by one. Paste the same prompt which you have generated from the ChatGPT website, and hit enter. After some time, your video is ready. You just have to download your video and use it. Our second website is aistudio.google.com. Go to Generate Video tab. I will generate video with VO2. Just upload the selected image from the download folder one by one. Paste the same prompt which you have generated from the ChatGPT website in the edit box where you have to describe your video as written. Select aspect ratio. Leave all settings as it is and hit enter. After some time, your video is ready. You just have to download your video and use it. After downloading all your videos, it's time to compile them to make a full video. Today I am totally using Canva for editing purpose. Open the Canva website. Create a new video design in Canva of landscape size. Just upload all your downloaded images and videos in the upload section of your design in Canva. Now move the small video clip to the canvas according to your story or as you like. Set the video as background or adjust it to remove watermark. Drag all the video clips and set them on full page. Add more pages. Set one video clip per page. I am also adding some text on every page according to the story. Add the text on the top of the page by copying the step one by one from ChatGPT website and by going to Text tab and add it. Set the text place and size. Make sure to cover all the steps in video clips to make a full story. I am adding match and move transition and apply it on the pages of my video by clicking on the Apply to All Pages button. Add music to your video according to your choice. I am downloading music from Audio Library of YouTube and upload this audio in the audio section of Canva. You can also add any other sound if you like, as I have done. Better option is use trending sounds. You can also use 11 Labs for generating your own story sound effect by generating prompt from ChatGPT website, and also generate speech of our story by using text-to-speech option of 11 Labs. As I described all the process for generating sound effects and speech in my last video, if you have not seen this video, just go to my channel and watch. I have already uploaded 11 lab-generated sound effects for samples which I am adding. Drag this audio below my video, matching with the video length from start to end. Make sure the audio length cover the whole video. You can play this video to check all things, all done. Now your video is ready. Just download it as MP4 format by clicking the share button and then download. Now share it and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Subscribe for more videos.